Okay, let's go.
We're talking about here is the PET Flame and its inaugural construction deployment in McMinnville, Tennessee, working with the ISHA Institute, and they are building an elementary school. And they don't have power yet because we're also responsible for that, and we haven't not done it yet. So we are deploying this portable energy trailer. You can see we put it in the sunshine, and it's powering these 3 mobile offices. And then we're gonna run extension cords all throughout. People are already charging batteries with it, and we're gonna let it charge from sunshine, plug an electric truck in, and if all else fails, the generator will start. You see, we already have DeWalt batteries on charge. The loads on a construction site are so low, mostly a couple of corded chop saws, battery charging, etc., that that plus 3 mobile offices does not even tickle this thing. And, got unlimited Starlink, super useful out in the middle of nowhere. And we've got lockable storage, dry lockable storage. We ran extension cords all in underneath covered nice spots. Creates a little bit of shade, and worst case scenario, you just go grab a propane tank from your grill and you can restore power to the site. Plenty of power, not even stressing. Right now, we've got 3.6 kilowatts of solar feeding the PET Flame, and we've got 2.2 kilowatts of load, so we're still charging it. And run out of that, we will charge it from an electric truck and run out of that, and the generator will start. Daniel, what do you like about this? Tell us about what's going on here.
So we deployed our PET for the first time in the field. We're servicing 2 office trailers.
And a third one.
And a third one that's sleeved across the drive over there. It's actually a shop trailer and then a cafeteria / break room. So we could expand off this with our current core concept here. It's a lot less mess than the other generator.
Those are 2 50 amp cords to each of those trailers, and we can run 120s, hundreds of feet if we need to.
One for that concrete truck, it'd be super quiet compared to what it normally is. Did we check to make sure our comms was working?
Starlink?
Yeah.
Yeah, Starlink's working.
Great.
Handing out the password like candy.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, only when people ask, but yeah.
Only when they ask?
Yeah. I'm sure everybody will have it before the day's over, and people will be just huddled around in the shade of the trailer just to check Facebook. So solar panels on the roof, solar panels on the awnings, generator, and that's pretty much it. If we get a call to say that we've lost power, then something's gone wrong, but we don't anticipate that happening because of our redundancies built in and the relatively low draw of a construction site. We'll see if that changes as it gets hotter in the summer. But perfect application. When we are on site, we'll store some tools. We got 10 grand worth of battery operated tools and equipment set up the way that you like, stored inside your trailer. But look, it's a real construction site. They've got a big pile of sand to prove it. You got about 15 heavy machines. Obviously, those don't need power, but we're gonna deploy our electric telehandler here, and that'll be another load added to the portable energy trailer. So we're looking to stress test it by deploying it at a large commercial installation. And we're handing out Wi-Fi to as many folks as possible, and we're encouraging everybody to plug in and see, what's the real capacity of this machine.